Hello, guys. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back. Um, in today's newspaper, today's newspaper, it's actually Monday. No, Friday. Friday, September the 17th, 2021. I've told you I've only two regular Sudoku Heavy and a Sudoku Light, and there are no additional. So I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition, because the Wednesday edition I have yesterday solved the rest of the Sudokus. So today it's time for the Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. So there are 3 Sudokus left in the in the Tuesday edition. And this will be a number, the 1 star Sudoku will be number 3407. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 16, 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is 27 printed digits. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 2 is missing, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3. Yeah. 2. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So now we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, the middle column. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright. Alright. Let me see. So we have a 1 in this row, the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. And two numbers left in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Then. How about these three missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. We have a 1 here. So the 3 is missing, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. So the 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. Look, we have an 8 there. No 8 in this box. There and 8, no 8 in that box. So one box left for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. Alright. 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more, that box should be 9. And this box should be a 3. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 1. Okay. Then. How about these 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and 4. Okay. So we have a 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then let me see. How about 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1, the 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 2, 3, no, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 in this column. 2, 4, 5. Look, we have a 2 and a 4 here in the third row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this column for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this first column, 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in this third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Yes, definitely a 1 star. Faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you. See you later. And the following Sudoku will be a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.